Just before we get into the video, ladies and gentlemen, thanks to Urbanista, I have a second pair of the Urbanista Stockholm to give away. So, to enter this giveaway, all you have to do is be smashing that subscribe button, follow my Instagram, and then repost the post that is on the screen right now from my Instagram. I have made a separate video with a little bit more elaboration on the specifics of when the giveaway will end and all that shenanigans. So make sure you check that out and enjoy the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to the show. You're here with me, Ben, and today, that's right, this is the full comprehensive review of the Urbanista Stockholm Plus. Now, I've had the Urbanista Stockholm Plus for about a week now, and they hold up to pretty much everything that they said they were improving. We'll start off with the battery. The battery is amazing on these, far better than the original. I used it about 3 hours every single day for the last week, and the case has only just run out of charge literally a few minutes before I recorded this. So the 20 plus hours of battery life is true. I really do like the lights on the front of the case. It really allows me to figure out how much charge is left in the case, much better than on the original Urbanista Stockholms, which just didn't really have any indication other than the red little blinky light. So that's good. I also found that the symbols on the headphones were a lot more sensitive to the touch than on the originals. And as well, I really liked in the case to reset the headphones. This time you didn't have to hold down on the symbols, you held down on a physical button. So you could feel that kind of click in when you were trying to reset the headphones. So that was. I also liked, I'm not 100% sure if it was like this on the other headphones, but as a general rule, I never really wore the other headphones when I went for a run and it was raining, just because I wasn't sure if they were waterproof. But these are splash proof, so you can wear them in the rain. I also found this case is a lot sturdier than the original one. It's not as flat. It's kind of more, feels a lot safer, you know? Feels like it could take a drop a lot better than the original case, and I really liked that because, you know, I throw it into my gym bag when I go to the gym, and that bag could be thrown anywhere, you know? Now, the microphone on these. I got a lot of people complaining on my previous two videos about the original Urbanista Stockholms about the microphone quality on the originals. And I did experience this as well. On these, perfect quality. Nobody's complained that they can't hear me at all over the last week when I'm using those. The shape of the headphones. Now, I don't know if this was intentional or not, but they've changed the shape of the actual earphones themselves. These headphones are a lot more tear-shaped than the original Urbanista Stockholms that were more of a circle-y kind of shape. Here, let me show you. Yeah. Let me draw this for you. Okay. So the Urbanista Stockholm Plus is more of this shape with like a kind of this type of thing going on. So it's kind of got this like sticky output over here, you know. Whereas the Urbanista Stockholms, the original Urbanista Stockholms, they're more of a circular shape with like a little thing here. So it's kind of like that. This isn't 100% accurate, but this is kind of the rough shape. And yes, I suck at drawing, okay? So I do think that is a big improvement. The shape is much nicer. Just a mild interruption to the video. What I was trying to say here is that the shape of the headphones improved the sound infinitely, just because it was able to fit into your ear better and allowed the sound to get into your ear much better than on the original Urbanista Stockholms. I also found I didn't have as many connection issues as on the original Urbanista Stockholms. The two headphones would always link up within a not like they straight away out of the case. They were bang, you know, together, and they connect to my phone a lot quicker too. Like I'd have Bluetooth on my phone and they just, you know, connect. Whereas the other ones, I'd have to go in and actually select them, or they'd take a couple of seconds and they wouldn't link up properly and stuff. So overall, I really really like the Urbanista Stockholm Plus. They are much improved on the Urbanista Stockholms, and I really liked the Urbanista Stockholms as well, despite the couple issues there were with them. So again, big thank you to Urbanista for sending me these headphones. I really appreciate it. I do highly recommend, if you are looking at getting a pair of wireless headphones, to get these. I actually got the price wrong in my last video where I did the box opening. These are only 69 euros. So as always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button. And if you're new, smash that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 300 subscribers. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.